Hi, I'm Kevin Pope, Seasonal Bee Inspector for Dorset, and today we're going to be doing a shook swarm on a hive to take away all the old brood and cells. This is the hive we're going to shook swarm today. I'm going to pick this hive up now and move it up onto the top of this other one in order to put the clean hive in its place. Put that up the other way to give the queen a bit more space below the frames. Then we take out 2, maybe 4 frames from the middle so we can shake the bees into easily. Now we're going to shake the bees into the hive. We've already found the queen and put her in the cage, so we'll just give them a shake. Try not to hit the sides, which is not always easy. Put that one down there, and you just keep going till they're all shaken in, and then we'll release the queen in a minute. Now all the bees have been shaken in, we've got a few to tidy up, but most of them are in there. So we'll just put the frames back in and release the queen. Just be careful because they're actually sitting on the bees on the queen excluder at the moment, so be gentle. And there you go. Went down in, so that's brilliant, down the side wall. After a couple of days since the shook swarm, we come back and give them a bit of syrup. I'm not going to give them too much today, I'll come back, I'll give them about a gallon and come back in a week's time and give them another gallon. I've looked at all 6 of the colonies we shook swarm 16 days ago. They are all, the queens are all laying, the colonies have all got sealed brood. 5 of them are doing really well, 1 I'm not sure about. Could be a failing queen. There's a young queen in there, maybe she didn't get mated properly, but she's laying and there are some sealed worker brood, so hopefully she'll settle down and she'll start.